talking to?
Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be doing this fall makeup tutorial. It's super easy and I can't wait to show you guys how I got this look. So let's go ahead and get started. So for primer, I did pick up this new one by Huda Beauty and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so bomb and it smells amazing, by the way. So for foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade number 310. And I'm just going to be dotting this all over my entire face and blending that out with a beauty blender. You guys, I was pretty shocked because I picked the right foundation shade for me. There was so many and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope this works for me. And it was perfect. I always get lucky with foundations. I don't know, I feel like I always get the right one. So I also picked up this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this concealer is full coverage. You just need a little bit, and I feel like I apply it a lot, but I already know for next time. But I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose and on my chin as well. To set everything, I'm going to be using the Airspun loose face powder, and I've been looking for this forever. It's been months that I've been looking for it, and I finally found it, and I really like it. I love how smooth it leaves my under eye, and I do recommend it. I don't know if it has flashback or not. I'm gonna have to see about that. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using Hoola by Benefit, and the brush I'll be using to apply this is an L312 by Stilazzi. Sorry if my voice sounds a little bit different or it cracks. My throat has been hurting me for like a week now and it has just been so bad for me ever since September started. So I'm gonna do a video updating you guys on everything, and I'm just gonna let you guys know what I've been going through and everything because it's been a while. So stay tuned for that. So for blush, I'll be using Luminous by Milani. I love this blush. I love how pink and rosy it looks, and it goes super smooth on the skin. I highly recommend it. So to highlight, I'm going to be using my Sleek Makeup palette, and I believe it's called Cleopatra's Kiss. I'm not sure, but if it's not, I'll have it listed down below. So moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette, and the first color I'll be applying on my crease is this light brown eyeshadow, and the brush I'll be using to apply that is the Morphe M441. So the next color I'll be applying on my crease is this darker brown color, and I'm going to go in with a Morphe M433 to blend everything together, and I'm just doing windshield wiper motions. I'm going in with the darker color. It's like a maroon burgundy shadow, and I'm placing this on the crease and I'm applying it with the Morphe M433. And by the way, I'm keeping this eyeshadow pretty low just because I still want the other colors to be noticeable and I don't want the burgundy to cover them, you know what I mean? So I'm going to be blending that out, and once I finish applying that burgundy maroon color, I'm going in with the Morphe M441 to blend everything together. So for the eyelid color, I'm going in with this orange eyeshadow. It's like a deep orange color, and I'm applying this all over my entire eyelid. I'm not sure what brush this is, but I'll list it down below. To make sure everything is well blended out, I'm going in with the Morphe M433, and I'm just going to be blending out the edges just because we don't want that to look too harsh, you know. So I'm moving on to the other eye, and I'm pretty much just doing the same thing. For lashes, I'll be using my LOLO PMs by Ace Beauty. You guys already know. I'm picking up this gold eyeshadow and I'm placing it on the inner corners of my eyes and as well as on my brow bone because I love a brow bone highlight. So I decided to do something a little bit different. I decided to add this orange glitter on the inner corners of my eyes, something a little bit different, and I feel like it completed the look. Wow, so I just finished doing the eyes, so now I'm going back to the face, and for lips I'm going to be using Whirl by MAC, and this is the lip liner, by the way, not lipstick. And for lipstick I'm going to be using this one by Frankie Rose, and it's called Macaroon. So I am all done with this makeup tutorial. I loved it and I am obsessed with it. I hope you guys are too. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. I love you guys and I'll see you guys on my next video.